The All Parties Hurriyat conference has said that India is deliberately targeting the youth in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir under a well-hatched conspiracy to force the Kashmiris to give up their freedom struggle, but will never succeed in its nefarious designs. According to Kashmir Media Service, the APHC in a statement issued in Srinagar said that the Indian troops enjoying huge powers under draconian laws were killing and arresting the Kashmiris youth at will without any fear of punishment. The APHC urged the international community to hold India accountable for the war crimes and crimes against humanity being perpetrated by its troops in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. National Conference President Farooq Abdullah, addressing party leaders and activists in Magam area of Budgam district, urged the Narendra Modi-led fascist Indian government to shun its stubborn attitude and review its Kashmir policy, saying that peace cannot be achieved through force. He said that the people in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir are paying heavy price for India's muscular Kashmir policy. Political experts and analysts in their statements and interviews in Srinagar said that India is trying to present a false and misleading narrative on the situation by announcing to hold G20 summit in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. They said that instead of such nefarious moves, the Modi government should allow foreign fact-finding missions to visit the occupied territory and take stock of the ground situation there. Meanwhile, Indian troops continued massive violent cordon and search operations in different areas of Jammu region ahead of the Hindu pilgrimage Amarnath Yatra. The occupation authorities have deployed Indian troops and police personnel in strength across the occupied territory in the name of security measure, causing huge inconvenience to the people.